Better late than never, this is the Blowerbaby. It's possible you've never heard of them, but the company that makes this product is called Nitecore, and they're known for their flashlights and batteries. But let me put the spotlight back on Blowerbaby. Blowerbaby is the electronic replacement to your hand-powered dust blower, the rocket blower, and other knockoffs. You know, those $10 to $20 things that completely exhaust your wrist trying to knock dust off lenses and cameras with those super weak puffs of air. Enter Blowerbaby 2. Yes, there's actually a Blowerbaby 1 and a Blowerbaby 21, each with their own set of options. In this case, I went for the one with 50 mph sustained winds, a speed dial, and a retractable brush. If you're thinking I'm dumb for spending $90 on an electric blower, then whatever, man. I know you spent that $100 on that dumb thing sitting next to you that you used once and left to rot. Blowerbaby takes the hard work out of cleaning your gear after a dusty shoot in the desert or a photography session at the beach. This is one of the greatest things that you never really knew you needed and probably still don't, but it's so handy to have that why not? I actually use it all the time. I live on an island and often find myself at the beach. Between sand and salt air, this thing makes it a breeze. Haha! To clean my camera bodies and lenses. So quit beating yourself up and get a Blowerbaby to make life a lot more easy. Well, that played out more like a scripted ad than I was expecting. I legitimately like this thing. It's made cleaning cameras much more efficient and easier. I don't need to buy compressed air or sit out there getting a forearm workout. It does a much better job with the integrated and retractable brush, being that I can remove debris while gale force winds hammer my equipment. No joke, I made sure to look up gale force winds, and the definition really does include the Blowerbaby's top speed of 50 miles an hour. I like my Blowerbaby, and you will too. That dust went everywhere.
Bonita, bonita.